Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia XZ Pro. In this video I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Sony Xperia XZ Pro and upcoming price of Sony Xperia XZ Pro and also expected price of Sony Xperia XZ Pro and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. So guys, here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia XZ Pro. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android V 7.1.2 Nougat, dimension not N by 8, that means not available, weight not available, and SIM dual standby nano SIM, color various color are available, and here we have in frequency of 2G band, SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, SIM 2 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, 3G band HSDPA 850 slash 900 slash 1900 slash 2100, and 4G band LTE. Here we have in display of technology OLED display, touchscreen, 16 color, multi-touch, size 5.7 inches. Here we have in memory built-in 128GB, built-in 6GB RAM, card micro SD card, support up to 256GB. Here we have in camera main dual 13 megapixel plus 12 megapixel autofocus and also LED flash. Features geotagging, fade detection, panorama HDR video, front 13 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity of WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, A/B/G/N/AC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.0 with A2DP LE aptX HD, GPS Yes Plus, GPS port and GLONASS BDS. Here we have in radio, FM radio also available, and micro USB also support with OTG and C 2.0. NFC yes, NFC function also available. Data GP hours at 3G HSP and 4G LTE. This variant also supports 3G HSP data and 4G LTE data. Here we have in some basic features of sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint gyro, proximity, and audio, that will be 3.5mm audio jack available for this phone, and MP3 slash EAAC plus slash WAV slash flag player, XVID slash MP4 H.264, and player 265 player and speakerphone all available for this phone, and browser HTML, latest browser available, and messaging SMS standard view like as text message, MMS email, pushmail IM, games built in plus downloadable, torch yes, extra IP68 that's water resistant. Here we have in battery of capacity 3200 40 mAh, 3400 for 20 mAh. Here we have in price in rupees and in US dollar will be coming soon. So I hope you can like this video and share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks.